Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to show you how we made this beautiful oven cover, also known as a noodle board for no apparent reason.
Who knew?
Also we did some custom engraving for some friends of ours, so we hope you like it.
Yeah, check it out. At the end of the video, leave a comment below, let us know what you thought, and if you have any input on any future build videos you want to see from us.
And stick around for the bloopers.
As always. My timing was way off.
Forget it. It's good. And then the air compressor kicked on.
Right when it was my turn. In 3,
Motorcycle going by.
2, 1, 0.
Did they crash?
Okay. Just gonna wait this out.